Welcome to Washington, D.C. We have a free weekend as a family. We're all here, minus Eva. We love you. We miss you. But let's go have a fun time and check this out. So this hotel is basically a national monument in a state park or national park. This clock tower that I'm about to show you is from 1899. How cool is that? The very top. I think we're gonna have to go up there and visit that sometime this weekend.
Walk here around for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Hi.
Look what you're missing, Eva. Oh.
Look at the bathroom.
Holy cow.
Hey. Wowzers.
Wow.
It's a huge shower.
Wow.
Who's the messiest one who goes up in the corner?
And the girls get their own desk with their own views.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Wowzers.
Shoes. What is this? What is this? What is this?
So Emily called it. She said, Dad, look at these buildings. They all look like we're in Paris. It's because they were created by the same guy from Paris.
Beautiful. Look at our hotel back there. So pretty. People probably like, holy shoot. That one's cool too.
What's his name?
General William Shaw.
General Sherman, right there. That's his statue. Civil War, Union side. And then that other building is not the White House. That building over there is the original federal building. And that is where Alexander Hamilton used to work. Where are you girls going? Where are you going today, ladies?
Wow.
Where are you going?
I actually don't know.
Where are you going?
The White House.
Yeah.
Oh, from the White House.
She didn't even know where we're going.
Know. She knows.
How do you not know? I told you we're going to the White House.
Look, there's that. There's that.
Going into the security line. Oh. This is Alexander Hamilton's building. How cool is this? I'll even zoom in here. That's Hamilton right there.
It's changed completely.
America. This is hilarious. It's so funny. Here we go. I'm walking in to the White House. Barbara Bush.
That's beautiful.
Honest Abe. Honest M. Honest M. Honest Abe. U-B-A. It's the Jacqueline Kennedy garden. John F. Kennedy's wife put this garden in. That's Martha Washington. John Adams. This is his wife. The White House movie theater. Truman. It's Clinton. Say it. No, say it. Livy. The green room. Mr. Steele. You like being in the red room, Jay? The original man, George Washington. What Trump just put in the White House.
You're so cool. You're so
I want a picture right in front of this.
Now she's starving.
Livy, say it.
America.
America. America. The People's House. That was fun. America. I got 4 girls who just left the White House. How cool was that? I got dogs too, got 6 girls. Surrounded by girls. That's Lafayette Park up there.
Yeah, I'll be
We just walked right out of there. How cool is that? That's where we just walked out of. Right there. Those aren't modern. These are from the 1800s. Oh. This building behind me is from the 1820s. It's not new by any stretch of the imagination. It's pretty old. Martin Van Buren used to be there, the president. This building behind me is pretty old too. I don't know what this was for though. Sign. That's awesome. Have a wonderful day. Oh, there's people peeking out. Look at her.
The president and I are delighted to have you join this immersive and interactive journey through the White House.
The Residence Act of 1790 placed the nation's permanent capital along the Potomac River. President George Washington and city planner Pierre Charles L'Enfant selected the presidential residence site, which would later become August 24th, 1814. Invading British soldiers marched into Washington, D.C. and set fire to the White House. The interior of the nation's grandest mansion was reduced to smoldering ruin.
The state floor of the White House serves as the prime minister's first in office, then a location for elegant dinners.
This is where all the steak dinners and lunches are given.
Balancing tradition and change, the White House embodies America's.
We were in this room, yeah. The red room. We are walking into the Oval Office. How awesome is this?
Is that calm? Hello, Mr. President.
America. I did not have relations with that woman. Miss Lewinsky.
Such a dork.
America. As Duncan would say, you're welcome. Say thank you, you're welcome. Huge. Huge. I'm not gonna do it.
Hundreds of thousands. Hundreds of thousands.
Hundreds of thousands. Huge. That's fun.
That was neat.
That was her mom. That was the mom.
Oh, there. Michelle.
Michelle Obama. She's only 7 years younger than me. Oil? Who's sending me about oil? Did you cook me? It's doing it. There.
Now I'm looking.
You have your hand lower. I like it, I like it.
Move.
We're in the state dining room.
They're like the inside of a diamond.
This is America. Yeah, there's no protest, Mama. He looks good. He does look good. You look huge.
You're gonna be treated the same way. People power. People power. Everywhere. And you be.
Who are you looking for? You. I've been right behind you the whole time. Benjamin Franklin. He was more than just a printer. He was a statesman, inventor, the most famous world person during his time.
Let's go.